Hi guys, hi. My name is Efe Thompson. Flori.
Hi.
I'm very pleased to have you here once again. And if you're new here, I do lifestyle videos. I do videos about skincare. Oh my god. And also I do music sometimes because I'm a singer.
And we have some travel videos.
Yes. So please, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Please help your girl. Subscribe, help us grow our channel. We're happy to share our lives with you guys. So in today's video, we are reviewing our baby products that we're not reviewing them, actually we're listing them, right? The proper reviews will be in another video, but now we're just going to be listing the products that worked for us so far. So before Zara came, we bought a number of products. We're actually very late with the buying. No, we were so late. Like we started shopping like 3 weeks to her coming, and it was so stressful.
And in a rush we bought everything.
Yes, we bought everything we could, right? We had a whole Excel sheet and everything. Like we're not even playing. These things I'm about to share with you are things that really gave us little to no problem. I recommend sincerely for you to consider to add to your purchases. So the first product is our Inglesina Aptica Quattro.
Inglesina Aptica System Quattro, and they say Quattro because basically it's a 4-item travel system stroller set. The upper compartment is interchangeable. You can put the infant car seat, which is part of the set, of course. On top of the stroller chassis, you can put the carry cot, put the car seat on top of it also, and you can put the sport seat, which if you have an older child or your baby gets older and he or she can sit, you can change from the carry cot or car seat to this sport seat version. And all of them, of course, have the same color scheme, so they are perfectly matching. It's a very good quality product with a lot of smart functionalities and safety features. It has stand for the carry cot.
So for indoor, even an outdoor actually, just when you don't want to use the wheels.
Exactly. So if you don't want to use the stroller chassis, you can use this stand. It's an easy little something you just open up and put the carry cot on top. It's very handy, and that's it.
The next thing is something that still belongs to the system of the stroller, and that is the Inglesina car kit. And it is separate because it is purchased separately. It doesn't come with the sets. Whatever other system you buy, the car kit is separate. So that's why we're talking about it separately.
Yeah, it's only compatible with the Inglesina carry cot product. So this carry cot, which is included in this System Quattro set, it's compatible with this car kit, which is basically a seat belt to the carry cot and some seat belt attachments for your car, which will fix the carry cot or bassinet in your car. Because if you travel for a longer distance, longer than like 1 or 2 hours, your baby should rather be in a flat laying position. You can only manage this with a carry cot, which is properly fixed to your car, and of course the baby is properly fixed to the carry cot.
So the third, Zara is here. She was sleeping and we had to go in. She just woke up, started screaming. Anyway, so the third one is the Angel Care trash can. We bought the dress up. No, we didn't buy the dress up.
We bought the dress up.
Ah, really?
I mean, it has this name dress up because you can put some
cotton, some fabrics on it.
Yeah, some fabrics on it, and you can like fit it to your interior design or something. The main feature is, of course, that it's like totally smell sealing, you know. It's very useful, of course,
because there's no room here in our bedroom for it, so we keep it in the living room. So it's very important that it had to conceal the smell. Like it, without it, we couldn't keep it there.
It's easy to replace the trash bag in it once you learn it, of course. There will be also again a review about this product.
Yeah.
Just can open it, and here there is the razor, and you will have to place this here. And
okay, the next one is the play mat.
They also call these a gym, so it's
play
not
gym,
just a mat, but it's basically a play gym, which includes a mat. You don't have to add the gym attachment, which is, by the way, 2 arches which are holding like rattles and other hanging toys. In the beginning she didn't care so much.
Oh my god, she hated it so much. She would cry for her life.
Yeah, she rather cried than was happy with it, but nowadays she can play for long in this gym, and of course it's very good for the physical development of the baby. You should really buy one.
And the next one is the Holy Grail. I am not even exaggerating. This product saved our life. It saved our sleeping schedule, our sleeping experience. Oh my God, it changed the game for us because we were so miserable before this product. And then when we started to use this, and we actually had it before the baby was born, but we never considered it. We felt like whatever, it was just there in the drawer. Until one day, Lori was like, babe, why don't we just try this product, let's just try it, it might work. And we tried it and our life just changed after that. And this product is just the swaddle.
Yes, exactly. And I think why we didn't start using it earlier, because for the first blink it looks like a bit difficult to put your baby in it. But
yeah, because you have to wrap the baby and whatnot.
But if you check it properly and you do it a few times, it will be very simple. She could even sleep 7 hours continuously. Sometimes even scared that shouldn't she wake up and eat or something. Of course, it gives the baby this hugging feeling of the room.
And also, she had a pretty serious startle reflex, I would say. I mean, I hadn't seen other babies, but hers was so she would just scream. Laurie used to say that she saw baby ghosts. She would scream like somebody is literally cutting off a limb, and it was just a startle reflex. I was so concerned. It would just interrupt her sleep and then of course interrupt our sleep. But then like I said, we started using this swaddle, it just stopped. It was just the silencer. So it really worked a lot. It really worked, and we're so grateful for that product. Actually, she's coming out of it soon. She's almost 5 months and she's outgrown it. Now she can tear it apart, with just a little elbow kick and it's out. So you're pulling my hair.
So the next thing is the pacifier chain. The pacifiers always wants to fall from your baby's mouth. And the most annoying, of course, when it falls on the ground, especially outside, and so you have to wash it. And of course, it's not just washing it, you have to sterilize it.
So Zara, she spits it out, or you know the deal. They just like to play with it and it just comes out. Then since we got the passy chain, it just stays on her dress. I clip it to her dress and then it's with her. And now because she's at that age where she can hold things, grab things, she's able to take it out actually and put it back in. Or when it falls out, so she takes it and just finds it back to her mouth. It's so funny. This whole stress of chasing the pacifier and wondering if it's going to fall or not is over. Yeah, this is it now. Yeah, so the Advanced Manicure set is just basically, it's not just a manicure set, it's for other things like the comb and everything. It's just like a grooming set.
It has this very cute quality box.
Yes, I like it. It's so cute.
So, and it looks like this. Most of the things we haven't used yet, to be honest. But it has comb and brush, nail scissor, nail clipper, nail file. It has this nose pump thingy. This is toothbrush or something like that. You can put it on your finger. And it has the temperature measure for fever, etc. So
it's very good. I like this set. It has everything. Of course, that's the purpose, right?
It's complete quality.
And the one I use the most is the clip, the nail clip, and the others we'll use in the future, as she goes in a few months. And I like it. It's a good Advent product for sure. Yeah, so we have the diaper cart. It's a normal cart you can get from anywhere. This is from IKEA. So our house, if you have seen in our other videos or in our future videos, our room has this black and white theme with some natural wood here and there, but basically it's black and white, right? IKEA has it in white or black, and of course since it's baby related you go for white, right? But at the same time we're the white looks a bit hospitally. Once it's a cart, and then it's white, it just has that vibe, right? Yeah. So for sure, we just went for the black one, but this is it. It's really working well. When I have to dress up Zara, I just pull it to me wherever I am. Sometimes I even take it to the living room. That's the purpose. It's on wheels, right? So you can kind of pull it to you everywhere. The crib mobile, so that's the mobile right there. It's from Brandon. It's a shop here in Hungary, and it's really working well. Even when she was a baby and extra fussy, she didn't really hate it actually. It was okay. But now as she's older and can appreciate colors and shapes and all these a bit, she seems to like it.
You have to roll it up. And it goes for a while. It goes around, little baby music, and,
and then
the toys are going around.
Yes. So I like it. And so yeah, thanks again to the family that gave us this. We love you guys. So the mobile diaper changer, like this topic was a big topic in this house. Like, I don't understand where Laurie got this obsession from. By force, this boy says we should go and buy a changing station. And I'm like, we don't need a changing station. And he's like, no, we need a changing. Where we change the baby? Went IKEA, tried to get furniture. He wanted one that has a changing station on top of it. I was like, no, we don't need it. And that we can change on the bed, you know. My nephews in Ghana actually were all changed on the bed, even though they had a changing station. Like, it's just convenient like that, you know. So yeah, like we just change on the bed, of course not on the bed just like that. There's a changing pad for it, and it's working, and we've been using that ever since.
We don't need this diaper changer furniture, I realized. So
No.
it's really not needed. It's very good that we haven't bought it. Actually, since Zara was born, I had never mentioned this furniture again, because basically we are changing diaper mostly on the sofa or on the bed or on the top of my car.
Yes. Oh yes. Yes. So the water wipe. I love the water wipe. I love it. Like, it is, like they say, it is 99.9% water or something like that, or 90% water, I don't know, but like it just does the job, you know, because it has a lot of water, and basically it just feels like you're washing off the butt of the baby. And so I really like it. Like, it just does the job. It really does the job. I like it for sure. What I don't like about it is what Laurie will say.
Well, the water wipes is working well, just it's annoying to take it out from the package.
Because it always comes out like a pile of 10 together, stacked together.
Yes, but you have to work a lot on taking the first one, and also probably if you can manage it, you take already like 5, which most probably you will need if it's a big thing. But if it's a small thing, you don't necessarily have to take like 5. This is something they should work on actually. So
Yeah. IKEA diaper box.
it's not a diaper box. We gave the feature
The
and
name, but like it's
diaper
really...
box, but this is the typical. What's the name? I think it should be the sticker.
Yeah, we actually never removed the sticker.
I mean, this
So
is
cool.
the Shamla. Okay, so the Shamla or Samla.
IKEA products in their names.
It's a transparent plastic IKEA box. You can buy in like several sizes, and it's very good to keep the diapers clean from dust and everything.
Yes.
And it's transparent, so you can see how much,
You have
how
left to
many
refill.
diapers you have left. It's a good product for basically
Yes.
holding most of the things you want to
Yes.
keep somewhere
Yes.
clean. For example, diapers or the water wipes you also keep in one of these boxes.
Mom
Then there is-
sterilizer.
Yeah.
This product. So the mom sterilizer, right? This product has died, unfortunately, for a while now. It's out of our lives because it had a tragic experience in our microwave. But that's, I don't think, has anything to do with the product.
It's basically it's a plastic box, as you can see. It has no sense or electronics or anything. It is just a plastic box with a shelf within, and you can cover it. You put like 20 milliliters of water in it and all the stuff you want to sterilize, including baby bottles and pacifiers and everything. And you put it in the microwave oven for like 9 minutes. Boom, it's sterilized. So instead of boiling water, put the things in a pot and do it on the electric hob or wherever. You can just put this thing in the microwave oven and 9 minutes and it's done. Just unfortunately we burnt it with this glass oven baby bottle. And also the microwave oven's rotating plastic compartment was torn because of, I think it was overheated, and that's why. It's a good convenient product because always taking out a pot and boil water, it's a bit like...
It's too much for us, it's not in our nature.
So here it is, the Philips Avent fast bottle warmer. If you have a baby, you most probably also experience that how annoying it is to always put the baby bottle in a pot and add some water and warm it up to the right temperature. And now, if you feel like this product is for you. It can just really advise you to buy one. It's quite simple. You put the baby bottle with the milk or other kind of baby food in it. It has a defrost function also, what we use mostly. That's why the paintwork also came off a bit. This is the slow warmer, and this function keeps the bottle warm, the right temperature, which is good for the baby. But if you are in a hurry or you have larger quantities, you can choose some even more fast functions. When you put in the bottle, you have to fill it up with the water to the right level where the milks or the other beverages level is, and that's it.
Okay, so yeah, that's a wrap. It's not over yet because we have still some products here to talk about, and these products are products that are on the opposite side, so products that do not work for us.
Or some of them it's like
just
so-so,
gray, you know, like
so-so.
exactly. Somewhere you're not sure if you buy it again, or like it's just there like that. It's just in the middle, you know. So those products are here. There are like about 8 of them in total, or 9. And I bet they're going to be very interesting for you because these are quite popular products, including the Angel Care camera and the breath monitor and these wipe warmers. So I think that you'll be interested in it. It's coming soon. I really hope that it was informative and you took an advice or two from it, because we also watched other people's reviews and like videos like this and also took advice from it and purchased some products. And so I hope that, I don't know, it made sense to you and you took something from it. And if not, still, thank you for watching. My name is Effie Thompson. Please subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, you know, like, and please hit the subscribe button. Follow me. I'm bringing you very interesting content.
And don't forget, we have made reviews. Most of these products we have mentioned today.
Yes. Like the really big ones, like the Inglesina, like we said, the Inglesina cultural system, that's quite a big one. So we have a separate video for it. And we also have a video for the Angel Cares, the camera, the breath monitor, the diaper disposer, and these really big brands, you know. And so you should watch them because reviews, to be honest, are very important. And you know that actually that's why you're watching it, right? Because it informs you basically everything you probably know about the product before investing in it. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye. You give your heart to me.